Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. I'm very glad to see you. How are you? Walaikum salam. I'm glad to see you too. So, how are you spending your Ramadan? Alhamdulillah, I'm fasting and praying regularly. Do you know the virtues of Ramadan? Yes, of course. Ramadan is the month of mercy and forgiveness. Yes, that's right. Allah forgives many sins in this month. Yes, that's right. The Holy Quran was published in this month. Yes, good deeds brings more reward during this month. Where everybody know that last 10 days are very important for Laylatul Qadr. Worship in this night is better than 1,000 months. May Allah accept our prayers and fastings. I hope we will meet very soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Ramadan Mubarak. Thank you. I hope so. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.